we know now that the entire budget of immigration and detention enforcement now is actually a budget that is larger than all other federal law enforcement agencies combined. So let's just sit with that for a moment. More money is spent today, more of your tax dollars is spent today in federal immigration detention and enforcement than all federal law enforcement combined. FBI, DEA. Is that possible, Layli? Because I think a lot of people...
It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous because, I mean, you know, people might say, well, there are flight risks, terrorist risks, you know, whatever the rationale may be given for detention is completely false. When you look at the people in detention, and I want to call out a racial issue too. I mean, we don't detain illegal Canadians. We don't detain people who overstay their visas from other countries. There are many, many others. And it's the people who are detained who have brown, black skin, darker skin, who have less money, who are less able to access attorneys. But in terms of what's effective, there is a 98% compliance rate with immigration court appearances and everything that they're supposed to do to be compliant with immigration status when they have legal advocates and legal representation. And there's no need for an ankle bracelet. It's ineffective and it's expensive. It costs $300 a day to detain an immigrant in detention, and there's no need for it. But this industry spent $25 million last year alone lobbying for the system we have now. They benefit from it, and their lobbyists are more well paid than the nonprofits. They have a bigger budget than the nonprofits like us, who are advocating on the other side for humanitarian treatment and due process rights.